Hi everybody, Derek here at the Technical Training Center. We're down here in the Ductless lab and we're going to show you the new forced defrost so you can test defrost with the crossover outdoor unit. What we'll do is we will take this panel off. The unit does need to be in heating mode to do the test. What we're going to be looking for is the SW force button. Over here on the side you can see that it's showing our hertz. I'm going to press the SW4 button for 10 seconds. This is going to force it into that defrost. You'll be able to see this go into defrost. After it clears, it's going to say DF. Now that shows us that we are in defrost. Understand, when you do this, you will still have the same exiting conditions for defrost as you did before. So it will still have to go through all of its normal parameters of T3, your coil temperature sensor getting to a certain temperature, or you do have a time. So you can see this saying defrost, it's going back and forth, and this is how you would test defrost with the crossover 454B unit. Make sure that you check back to my learning center for more of these videos from the training circuit.